This year's Stitch in Time saves 9, so we're not going to delay talking about the very gorgeous Aishwarya Rai anymore. Yes, she stepped into her modelling stilettos yet again for a leading international brand that she endorses and strutted her traditional Indian outfit on the ramp. Just as we'd expect from Mrs. Bachchan Jr., right? Well, we of course spoke to her about her upcoming films, about her Hollywood projects and rumours. So come closer and listen up. She's glam, she's gorgeous, she's got a big release coming up, and she's a very loyal brand ambassador.
I'm very, very glad on my association with the brand. It's truly survived time. It's been very, very long and enduring, and it's wonderful to be here in a very symbolic year, the year of my marriage, to be here with their bridal collection. I think it was well timed.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan made her first public appearance post-marriage in the capital. But then perhaps that's understandable. She's been busy wowing Hollywood.
It was just an experience which was just fantastic because, of course, the genre of the film, we've all grown up on Pink Panther, albeit this was just the second one with Steve Martin, but we've grown up on his cinema, and he is a fantastic actor and has just a great ensemble cast. We had Alfred Molina, we had Andy Garcia, we had Jeremy Iron doing a cameo, we had Lily Tomlin doing a cameo, so just, you know, John Cleese, I mean, these fantastic actors on board, Jean Reno. So I think I hold it very dear also for the sheer experience of working with such incredible talent.
And while we can understand the incredible charm that Martin's Inspector Clouseau must wield, evidently Will Smith doesn't cut. And the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air has been rejected yet again.
She's beautiful and smart, and love to have the opportunity to work with her.
The timing was such that, you know, we were unable to make it work, and that happens with a lot of movies. इस बार उन्होंने खुद कहा बहुत ही generous है. काफी लोग कहते नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत बार हुआ है मेरे करियर में कि फिल्में आई हैं and करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन like we said, it's like since we're on the topic of time, it's all about time management, and कभी-कभी एक commitment already हो चुका है, तो दूसरा लेना मुमकिन नहीं है. Yes, I would love to work with him as an actor. I mean, and the cinema that he does in such a variety, it would be fantastic to work in any genre with him because he seems to, embrace both brilliantly.
If 2007 began on a good note with Guru,
apart from the fact that it's made by my first direct money, who I'm absolutely for, and has Abhishek, my husband, in the lead, and with such an incredibly spectacular performance. So it's a movie we're extremely proud of and hold very, very close to our heart.
Then 2008 promises to make history, literally with Jodha Akbar. And finally, a last word for those speculating furiously whether the Hum Do Hamare Do syndrome holds true for this couple.
I think rumors, let's put it on to rumors, whoever be the rumor mongers, if you guys are listening, you guys make life, you guys make life extremely, extremely eventful, sometimes extremely uncomfortable, sometimes exhausting because we don't know where to start quelling them. Entertaining for you guys and all you viewers, but I'd say to the discerning audience, I think they can tell the difference, and if there really is a need and it really gets pushed way beyond the comfort levels, yes, we definitely, members of my family, either one of them or all of us would definitely come out and feel the need to communicate to the world at large, because, you know, we wouldn't want wrong things filed and to be regarded fact.
In New Delhi, Mansi Mehta for NDTV.